Hi everyone, welcome to a new video. My name is Amani McGregor and I am the founder and CEO of LuxuryHouseSearch, and today we have another great video for you. Today we will be covering one of the most pristine neighborhoods in all of Los Angeles. And yes, you read it. It is Beverly Hills. A lot of you guys have been reaching out to us, asking us to cover this. Everything that you need to know about Beverly Hills is in this video. So watch this video. Make sure you give us a thumbs up. And if you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's jump into the video. Beverly Hills is a part of Los Angeles' Platinum Triangle, the 3Bs neighborhood. With Bel Air to the north and Holmby Hills to the west, the city would contain one of the most famous zip codes in the world. That is 90210. Despite the name, Beverly Hills is mostly built on flat land and unofficially divided into north and south by Santa Monica Boulevard. There are tons of celebrities who live in Beverly Hills, just to name a few: P. Diddy, Taylor Swift, Katy Perry, Ellen DeGeneres, and the list goes on. Beverly Hills has the best 5-star restaurants and hotels in the world, and I'm sure you've heard of the most iconic hotel of them all, and that is the Beverly Hills Hotel. The Beverly Hills Hotel offers the glamorous ambiance of Hollywood's golden age. Set on 12 lush acres, the hotel has been a celebrity hotspot since 1912. Yes, I did say 1912. This hotel has been around. If you have never visited, you must check it out. It's beautiful. Another amazing hotel is the Four Seasons Hotel on Doheny Drive, and another great one is the Peninsula on Santa Monica Boulevard. So if you're ever in the area, I definitely highly suggest those hotels. Very nice, clean, the amenities are great, and I'm sure you'll love them. And of course, we cannot leave out the restaurants. Beverly Hills is definitely a social scene at nighttime. I'm always in Beverly Hills throughout the week for meetings and showings, and every time I'm ever in Beverly Hills, the sidewalks are clean. There's no graffiti on the buildings. They do a really good job at keeping the city nice and safe, as well as clean at all times. And in my free time, I love checking out, the parks and nature as well. A few parks that I like to visit is Beverly Canyon Gardens and Beverly Garden Parks. If you're ever in the area, I highly recommend checking out these parks. Just a little time to get away and soak in all the beautiful nature. The Beverly Hills market is always hot. The allure of its pristine and opulent homes, many owned by actors and executives in film, TV, music, sports, makes this a prestigious, sought-after community. And as I mentioned, Beverly Hills market is hot. So within the past 3 months, 44 homes have sold. The lowest price was at $1,025,000 and the highest price was at $68 million. It's so crazy that somebody couldn't even afford a house like that. But hey, it happens. And like I said, this is Beverly Hills, one of the most famous cities in the world. So people are willing to spend that money to live here. Right now in those areas, the average days on market is about 25 days, so the market's still hot. If you're looking for a home in Beverly Hills, definitely reach out to us and visit us at LuxuryHouseSearch.com. One of our luxury specialists would love to help you and find you your dream home. For those seeking status, luxury, and an unparalleled quality of life, this is the place to be. Here are our top 3 picks for this week. Check these out, and if you like any of them, make sure you go ahead and reach out to us for a private showing. This one is my favorite. I absolutely love what the designer did with the indoor-outdoor space. Drop a comment and let us know which home is your favorite. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video. We really wanted to break down Beverly Hills so you can understand the lifestyle. We wanted you to get an overall feel of how it would be living in Beverly Hills, so we hope we did that for you. Let us know what city you want us to cover next, and until then, we will see you in our next video.